what's up? YouTube, Facebook, Twitter. This your boy Skater_Boy Tell. Follow me on Twitter. Me and my boy about to hit up this song for y'all called Cotton Eye Joe. Cause we some silly mother, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, about to hit it up for y'all real quick. Ready, my nigga?
But I've been forgotten, Joe. I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? But I've been forgotten, Joe. I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
Oh my god! This shit is funny, dog. Look at that nigga footwork. What's that kid on there? This shit is funny as hell, dog. Cotton Eye Joe. Cotton Eye Joe, no, Cotton Eye Joe. Come on. Where the fuck is this allowed?